Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video. If you want to learn how to make this, these are butter tarts using Dr. Oetker's brand. Let's get started. Simple recipe for a nice dessert. Here we go. Okay, so my friends, these are the tender flake pastry shells that you make tarts with, right? And so to prepare these, you want to use a parchment paper. So I just find it's a better cleanup, whatever. So you get your shells out, my friends. And these shells has to stay in the freezer until you're ready to use it. And then to thaw it out, you have to, leave it at room temperature for maybe 5 to 10 minutes, right? And it will be ready to go. So there's only 12 in these. These are frozen solid, so I'm just going to leave them here for a little bit and let them thaw for about 5 to 10 minutes or so, just to get them ready for baking. Right, just like this. We're going to put them into the oven at 375 degrees and let them bake for another 10 minutes or stuff. Cool before you start to fill these up. So they're simply, it's a simple thing to do. You're going to make some wonderful tarts, just like what we have here. And it's just perfect. Okay, so this is the tender flakes tart shell that we're preparing to make our tarts. Okay, there we go. So for this recipe, my friends, I need 4 1/3 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to be melting this, right? The butter is soft, so I'm going to melt this butter in a few minutes. Oh, make sure it's that. It says 60 grams of butter, so that's about a 4 tablespoons and just a little bit more. All right, to make it 4 grams, just a little bit more. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm going to need the same amount of water. Okay, and then we're going to heat this up. 1. All right, I'm going to put this on the stove, let it heat up for a bit, and then we can move on. While the butter is melting, I'm going to prepare some pecan because I love pecan butter tarts. What? I'm not going to chop this up too much because I really like a big piece of pecan. All right, so I'm just going to maybe chop it in 2. That's it. I think I'm going to need more than this. So, and not only do I like pecan, I also like raisins. And I have these little raisinets that I bought at the store. These little package of raisins. I'm going to use these as well in my pecan butter tarts. Okay? Here's the melted butter. That's the melted butter, my friends. So this is a package that was in here. Okay, and remember we're making butter tarts, right? So you're just going to open the package and pour the contents in here. I'm gonna put everything in here, right? And you're gonna mix it well. This nice little slush. Did you see that, my friends? Nice little slush. And this is just a simple way to make tarts. Don't overthink your tarts, right? And if you love butter tarts, now our coffee shop now offers pecan butter tarts, and I love them so much. And I'm like, okay, let's try our own from the dollar store. So this is our dollar store butter tart, and this is the Dr. Oetker's brand, and so we're doing this. Okay, we're waiting for these to cool down a little bit more, and then we start filling them. So as I said, with this, you can just fill the tarts like this, but I like my tarts to have pecan in them. So I'm going to put some pecan in here. Ooh, this is going to be so nice. And I also like raisins in my tarts as well, my friends. So I'm going to put some packets of raisins in here. Whoop. This makes a nice little dessert, and simple enough to make, right? I think we have enough pecan in here, and I think we have enough raisins in here. And as I said, I love a butter tart, right? So hopefully this will make 12 tarts as recommended on here, but we'll see. This was only $2 at the dollar store, my friends, so go and get one. I'm going to put a link below of different desserts that I tried from the dollar store, packets of desserts, and they should be yummy. All right, to make these tarts, you must bake the tart shells first. Okay, so bake the pie tarts first for 10 to 15 minutes, let them cool, and then you can fill them with the filling from the butter tarts filling mix, right? Everything I like to use an ice cream scoop. And here's my pie shells, cooled and ready to rock and roll. And I have my filling here that we just made. And so I'm going to use a scoop. And make sure you get some raisins in there as well. And you get some pecan in there as well when you're filling these up, right? And I'm just going to drop a little bit. Yummy. It says 12, so let's see if it will do 12. I won't bore you with this part. When we're finished, then I'll come back and then we'll bake these up together, okay? Okay, my friends, we are ready for the oven. So we're going to put this in the oven right now. So 375. Preheat the oven to 375, and then we're going to bake this 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so let's move this over, bring it to the oven, put it in. So my friends, this is done completely. Now it's a little bit it's definitely cool, but it's a little bit soft inside, so you just have to be careful. And this is what it looks like, right? These are the pecan, these are butter tarts from the Dollar Tree. Only $2 per box. You now know how to prepare this. As I said, I'm going to put a link below on different dollar store desserts that I've tried, tested, and it's true. Yeah, so now let's just taste this. Okay, I love a nice butter tart. Oh yeah, baby, see that? Let's break it open. Oh, doesn't that look great? Okay, and there it is, my friends. Oh, I cannot wait to bite in this. So let's taste it. Mmm, this is delicious. Mmm. Come on. Mmm. Completely delicious. You must love butter tart to enjoy this, my friends. Honestly. Go out and try this. Come and taste it. Really, really good. Right? It's not overly sweet as well. So try and go and get Dr. Oetker's brand of butter tart mix, the butter tart filling, and try it yourself. Thank you for watching, and you'll see me again in the next video.